The director of the CDC is outlining troubling trends in the fight against the coronavirus. Dr. Rochelle Walensky says that Delta variant is now representing nearly all of the new cases in the country. Walensky says the case counts are highest in unvaccinated areas of the country.
Areas with limited vaccine coverage are allowing for the emergence and rapid spread of the highly transmissible Delta variant. CDC has released estimates of variants across the country and predicted the Delta variant now represents 83% of sequenced cases. This is a dramatic increase up from 50% the week of July 3rd.
Walensky also spoke about recommendations for children above the age of 2 to wear masks in schools. CBS 4's Eric Graves now talked to a local doctor about this, and he joins us now with his recommendation. Eric.
The new recommendation from the American Association of Pediatricians was a change from the past CDC advice, and officials say it's all because cases continue to go up in younger Americans.
No question, the pandemic is still here.
Dr. John Christensen with Riley Hospital for Children says kids wearing masks in school is about protecting themselves and everyone around them.
These children have potential acquiring the virus and then taking it home or spreading it in the school to teachers and staff.
Dr. Christensen says the Delta variant and the number of those who are still unvaccinated are why the masks are being recommended.
No question. I think that if we had the whole community vaccinated, we would not be having this conversation.
The new strand is something else.
Anisha Gray says 10 of her family members recently got and recovered from COVID-19. Some cases were the Delta variant. And that's why she's all for her grandkids wearing their masks in school.
I think it is still okay for them to wear masks just because you don't know if that new strand, if they're going to bring it home or if they're going to take it to school.
Ronell Castillo is worried not wearing masks could lead back to virtual learning.
And if they have to wear a mask, I'd rather them get their education in school with a teacher rather than virtual learning.
When testifying before Congress, Dr. Rochelle Walensky said the CDC is still recommending school districts make the best decision based on community spread where they live.
We continue to recommend that schools implement layered prevention strategies to protect those who are not fully vaccinated and encourage vaccination for those who are eligible.
Now, as for when kids younger than 12 can get vaccinated for COVID-19, a Pfizer official said earlier this month they're planning to submit an emergency use submission for kids 5 to 11 in September or October. Reporting in the newsroom, Eric Graves, CBS 4 News. Eric.